guys, we just got back from Walmart and we're gonna be unboxing these toys we got, and I got my toys for $38.
I got my toys for $32, and we're gonna be closing our eyes for these items in the bag.
And let's do it. Okay, let's see what Lug got.
I got a Halo blindfold right
mine.
here. Let's see what I get.
Whoa. Holy.
Which guy did I get on there?
Oh, I wonder.
Oh, I was hoping for this guy. Oh my gosh.
Oh, guys, can you zoom in on this? He got this guy. Logan was wanting this guy.
And I got him.
That is awesome.
Oh my god. And he even has this.
Oh, dang.
Oh, this is like...
That is cool, guys.
That is called trickiness awesome. Yeah, I'm just gonna say. Where's his arm?
Okay, so Logan did his, so let's see what I get. Maybe like put them right here in order.
No, I need to face him there. I'm facing
Okay.
him.
Okay, so. Oh yeah, I got one too. Okay, let's see.
You don't get the same.
Yeah, because last time we had a long time ago, and we just switched the bodies up. Okay, so let's see who I get. Seriously. No. Okay.
What did you get?
It looks like we just got...
Oh my god! What the crap?
Okay, so
Open it.
I'm gonna see which one I get between this. Okay.
Oh, you get a golden.
What?
It's not, Jan, it's not this one.
It's
What's
not-
the golden? I think the gold one's right there.
I don't know. I'm just gonna dump this out.
Yeah, just put it together.
Okay, so where's the head? Does this guy have a head?
I don't-
Okay, so look.
So now,
Look at this guy's head. Okay,
okay, I'm gonna
so
close my eyes.
I'm gonna put this one on. There we go.
This is nice. Another Halo one. This is nice. Oh, look it. It looks like when the part when he's doing the break
Hey.
in Fortnite.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Okay, so oh, another one. I wonder how many we're gonna get of these.
1,000.
Wait, did I cut? Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna grab mine. I'm gonna try to open it with my hand. Oh, looks like I got the same guy again.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah.
Hey, it's nice.
Look,
Because then we can have like two monsters trying to fight these guys.
oh yeah, and at the end of the video,
We're gonna show you. We're gonna unbox these awesome guys.
and then we're gonna play with them and have some fun.
Yeah, like the best.
Okay, so it's Logan's turn.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
Oh my God! I got Destiny. Let's go. Right here. Destiny action figure. Destiny action figure. Okay.
Okay, there we go. You get it? This is hard. Oh, I get a gun.
Same.
I got like a little mini gun. Wait, look at this little mini gun.
I took off this guy's head.
That's kind of funny. Okay. Oh, I know.
Look
this
at
guy.
this. He looks like that. He looks so much like an agent.
And comment down below if you know this guy from Halo. If you play Halo even. We used to play it on our old Xbox. Okay, so it's my turn. Let's see what I get.
Okay, this guy's just gonna have to stand.
Okay, so I got one of these again. Oh, what are the scissors?
I don't know. Set this guy up.
Okay.
Whatever, just let him down.
Okay. Okay, hopefully I don't get the same one again.
Yeah, look at
Because I got these two guys, the same guys. Okay, so hopefully I don't get this one. Okay.
What if you do?
Oh my gosh, that would just be, that would be cool. Oh, I think it's open. Wait, I'll try
Oh,
again.
I know what to do.
Oh.
Just pop a hole in it.
There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh!
What? What did you get?
I see him. Wait, I want to look at the map. I don't.
I
know.
think I have the same guy.
Oh.
I guess you're done. You have the same guy, Jaden.
I do.
Yeah, sword and then that.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So I'm gonna open up my pack.
I'm getting that one.
Okay, I got another Halo.
Oh my gosh, thanks for all that.
What is wrong with these Halo? Very tingle.
What's this?
God, same one.
Yeah, I got it too. Wait, what's this?
I don't know how much I have left, but better not get the same one again.
Okay.
This guy looks creepy. I'm just really thinking about playing Halo. Halo used to be a fun game.
And comment down below if you play Halo because it's a really fun game. If you don't play it, you should go check it out because, like,
Yeah.
what are you doing? Okay, so it looks like it's my turn. Okay, wait, am I in the bag or not?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
Just open the bag.
Oh my gosh, it looks like I got one of these wrestling. And these are the guys you can get. Comment down below what guys think I'm gonna get.
I think you're getting the money.
Oh, the money guy?
Yeah, money guy's gonna be like a legendary.
Okay, so
Cause he has so much money.
let's see who I get. Looks like there's super glue on it.
I know it's like super.
I got a trash can. I'm gonna cut this open.
It's plastic, so it can't get plastic. I'm good. Please get money guy. Please get money guy.
Okay, so we're gonna get. What did I get? Oh,
You
look.
got the dog guy. I'm just gonna.
No, I
dog.
got the guy right there.
Can I see? Can I
Right
read
there.
him?
Yeah, right there. It doesn't show his name, but
Why?
I got that big guy right there.
How come they say 1 out of 12?
Okay, so that's all mine.
So
And,
now I'm doing 2.
and I'll do this one at the end.
Oh my god, I got Call of Duty World War II. What the heck? This is amazing.
Show the camera.
Oh my
That is
god.
cool. That's awesome.
Ooh.
Wait, like, yeah, pull that. When we have all the guys, it's just gonna be like, looks like they're gonna be against each other.
Yeah.
Like I have my guys up here. Logan has one of his up there.
Oh,
I have
this
one of my
guy's.
guys right here.
They have rubber.
Oh yeah, that's all it. What? Look at his gun. Oh, a piece just went flying.
Ah, please just run.
Okay, so
Let me get this gun out.
what kind of guy is that?
I don't know. No, wait, I didn't see the pack. Oh, this looks like a shotgun.
It looks like he has a guy with a mohawk. Looks pretty cool.
Oh. Pew.
Okay, so that's one of his guys.
And now I got another one.
I wonder what it's gonna be this time. Another blind bag.
Hello.
Hopefully, I hope you get one of these guys or something.
Oh, that can't be it.
That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, guys, for the final reveal until we get to the big ones. What the heck? Okay, let's see what he has.
This one.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yes, you guessed it.
I said, look, you can even go back to the video. I said he was gonna get this guy, and look what he has. This guy. But do you know why I like this guy? Because they have
He's
guns.
golden.
Oh my gosh.
He has a knife. This guy has a knife too. I forgot about the knife.
Oh, a knife.
Oh, never.
They want the knife.
How come those knives?
Okay, guys. So we'll see you in a sec because we're gonna be opening this. See ya.
Now we're gonna open our big toys.
We'll be back after this is opened.
So I got a toy called Black Panther. And if you haven't seen the movie, go check it out.
And I got this remote control car. It's pretty cool. And yeah, just gonna try to see if it works. No, it's it needs to charge, but maybe when we play with it, maybe it'll be ready. But the wheels work.
The wheels work.
Yeah. Look at the rims, they're shiny.
Look at it.
Okay, so we're gonna go play with these and see you in a couple seconds.
Make sure to subscribe and make sure to smash the like button.
Bye.
Bye.